Hi guys, I am Buddhin Tinomal. In this video I am going to explain about multidimensional array. There are two types of arrays in Java. First one is single dimensional arrays, second one is multidimensional array. Single dimensional array has only one row and one column. In multidimensional array has multiple rows and multiple columns. But in this video we are only focusing about multidimensional arrays. Let's take a quick review about arrays. We are using arrays to store a collection of data. All the data in array called as elements. Each element has index value. Index values are starting from 0 and increase one by one. We are using index value to get specified elements of an array. All the elements in array must be same data type. For an example, in integer type of array we can't store string type of value. Also, length of an array must be fixed size. Now let's look about multidimensional arrays. Multidimensional arrays are array of arrays. It has more than one row and one column. The most common multidimensional arrays are two-dimensional arrays and three-dimensional arrays. Two-dimensional arrays are commonly used than three-dimensional arrays. Let's talk about two-dimensional arrays. When we declare in two-dimensional array, it has two pair of square brackets. First pair of square bracket for rows and second pair of square bracket for columns. The rows are showed in this table horizontally and columns are showed in this table vertically. Now let's talk about three-dimensional arrays. Three-dimensional arrays are arrays of two-dimensional arrays. Three-dimensional arrays are complex form of multidimensional arrays. When we declare in three-dimensional array, it has three pair of square brackets. First pair of square bracket for number of two-dimensional arrays and second pair of square bracket for rows and third pair of square bracket for columns. Now let's do some example about multidimensional arrays. I already created two classes and coded two runtime examples. Let's do first example. First we have declare an array. Data type. In this array the data type is integer, then two square brackets because this is a two-dimensional array, and the array name, and we have to create objects. There are two dimensionals and we create scan object because we are getting input from users, and there are two for loops to initialize this initialize values and two for loops to print those values. Let's run this program. We have to enter value for first row, first column, and second one first row, second column, third one first row, third column, and this one second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Like this we can initialize values to array, and you can see there are three rows and each row have three columns. Now let's move on to next example. In this example we are also declare a array. The data type integer and there are three pair of square brackets because this is a three-dimensional array, and the array name, and we are creating array and dimensionals. I also created 3 for loops to initialize values to this array, and also created 3 for loops to print those values. Let's run this program. We have to enter value for first 2D array, first row, first column, and first 2D array, first row, second column, first 2D array, second row, first column, in first 2D array, second row, second column, and second 2D array, first row, first column, second 2D array, first row, second column, second 2D array, second row, first column, second 2D array, second row, second column, third 2D array, first row, first column, third 2D array, second row, first row, second column, third 2D array, second row, first column, third 2D array, second row, second column, and you can see the output. There are 3 2D arrays, and each 2D array have 2 rows and each row have 2 columns. I hope you guys get some idea about multidimensional arrays, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.